As video editors, we all want our projects to look sharp and professional. The problem is, clients don't always give us the best footage to work with. I've been testing an AI tool that can upscale and enhance your video. And in this video, I will show you exactly what it can do with real examples. Alright guys, let's get started. The AI tool we're going to talk about is Aiarty. You can get your hands on the free version in the description below to follow along. This will give you a better idea on how it works. Example 1, AI generated videos. This is when you have an AI generated video. And we all know most of the time it doesn't look so sharp and also a bit blurry. Let me show you how to fix that. When you open Aiarty, it's a standalone application and doesn't require internet connection to use. However, you first need to connect online to download few AI models. Once set up, the interface is user-friendly as you can see. So on this page, this is where you're going to import your videos. Then when you go to the right side, we have all the AI tools. We will talk about that later on. So first, let's click on this to import our videos. And it supports batch import. So you can either click on the folder or your finder, or you can select the videos right from this side and import it all together. So I'm going to do that. Click on open. It's going to bring all the videos into Aiarty. All these videos are in 1080p and these are 3 videos we're going to use. Right on the interface, you can see the before and after preview on the top. You can use your trackpad or your mouse to zoom in or zoom out to see exactly how it's going to look like. This is before and this is after. So now let's go to the right. On the top, we have hardware. When you click on the drop down menu, you have these 2 options. I always go with CPU and GPU. I'm going to select that. Then when you go to the AI model, this is where all the magic happens. So when you click on the drop down menu, we have 3 of the options right here. Also, when you click on the question mark, it's going to give you more information about the 3 AI models. To summarize that for you guys, when it comes to more data, this is the best so far. This works great when you have footages with grass, flowers, and hair. Then when you go to Smooth HQ, this works perfect with scenes with people and also indoor lighting, keeping things natural. Then when you go to Super Video, this is really great for low light and noisy conditions. I'm going to close that. So with this first example, I will select more detail. Then when you go to upscale, I'm going to upscale it to 4K Ultra HD. Remember, this AI video is in 1080p, 24 frames per second. Then down here, you can turn on the table for faster speed, but this will sacrifice the quality a bit. So I'm going to leave it off. Also down here, we're going to talk more with this later on in this video. Then right below the preview window, we have this sliders. This you can use it to trim the video length. So let's just say your video is really long and you just want to select a small portion of it. You can use these sliders to select exactly the portion. This is a short video, so I'll keep all the 5 seconds. Then from here, I'll just click on add tags and it's going to add that right in the tags list. So from here, we can add second one. Let me click on this and add that to it. Let me upscale this also to 4K and add that down here. From here, we're going to export our videos. When you look down here, you can batch export your videos or you can export individual videos. From here, we can just export this video by clicking on export current and it's going to start processing and export to your computer. Now, when you look at the 2 videos on the screen, before and after, you can see it enhances your video and it makes it sharp and professional. Example 2, old footage. This is when you have an old footage you want to use or a client sends you an old footage to use in the edit. So I'm going to import the old footage. As you can see, this video is 720 and a bit blurry. When you use the before and after slider, you can see what it's already doing. Then when we go to the right side, this time around, I'm going to go with Super Video HQ. And with the upscale, it fixed at X2. I'm going to leave it at that side. Then on this side, remember, if you want to trim the length, you can do it right on this side. From here, I'm going to click on add tags and add it to the tags list. From here, we can just export this video by clicking on export current and it's going to start processing and export to your computer. And now when you look at the before and after on the screen, you can see it enhanced the video, making it sharp and professional. Example 3, low light footage. As a video editor, you'll be receiving a lot of videos shot in low light and high ISO. And that's when Aiarty comes in handy. For example, this video was shot in low light condition at a normal speed, but I want it in a slow motion too, as it will fit perfectly with the edit I'm going for. I'm going gonna import the video. Then right on the preview window, we can see what it's doing. When you look at the skies and also on the ground, it's really cleaning it up nicely. Then when we go to the right, click on the AI model. I'll go with super video, which is really great when it comes to noisy videos and low light conditions, exactly as this video. Then upscale is gonna be fixed at X2. And now because I want this video in slow motion, I will turn on frame interpolation. This will basically create extra frames between existing frames, giving you that slow motion vibe. And down here, if you want the high frame rate and slow it down later on in post in any editing software, you can choose right from here. And this video is in 30 frames per second. So if you want to go for a good slow motion, somewhere 60 frames or 90 frames will be great. So you can select that. But if you want the slow motion already done for you using Aiarty baked in with your video, then turn on slow motion. This time around, you don't need to do anything in post-production using any editing software. It's going to be done for you in Aiarty. Then when you click down here, you can select either 1/4 or 1/2. I'm going to select half. I want to multiply the speed by 2, so I'll go with that. And this video is already long, so with the length, I'm going to go for somewhere 7 seconds. Then later on, I will click on add tags. It's going to add to the tags list. From here, I can click on export current, and it's going to start processing the video and export to my computer. And now when you look on the screen, when you look on the ground and also the sky, it cleans up the noise in the video. And also at the same time, it slows down the video and I can use it in my edit. Now let me show you extra features that comes with Aiarty. 1. Edit. You can easily adjust the rotate and crop of your video. With this, just turn on edit. It's gonna bring you all these options. So if you want to rotate or if you want to flip your video, you can click on one of these and it's gonna do exactly that when you look on the preview window. Also, if you want to crop your video for social media platform, pretty easy. Just click on adjust. Then from the drop down menu, let's say we want to post on social media, that's Instagram, we can just click on 9:16. It's gonna give us that option. Now we can select exactly the frame that we want. Pretty simple before we export the video. 2. Color. You can adjust the basic color correction and exposure of your video. Just turn on color. It's going to bring you this option. So when you look, we have the color temperature. If you want it on the cooler side, you can drag it here. If you want it on the warm side, you can easily do that. Also, when you look down here, when it comes to the exposure and contrast, you can easily do that. 3. Audio denoise. So if your video have audio, you can clean up the audio using AI by just turning on the audio denoise. Now let's talk about the price. It starts with a free version, but it includes watermark. There's also a standard license, billed yearly, and a lifetime license, which I recommend. Plus, you can get an exclusive discount on Aiarty Video Enhancer through the link in the description. Feel free to try it out. Overall, I think Aiarty Video Enhancer is a great tool for video editors. It makes your videos look sharper and more professional, and it's worth trying it if you want to improve your project. Alright guys, that's all for today. Catch you in the next one. Peace.